Alright, let's look at the next question. Which of the following features can be provided only by asymmetric encryption? Again, read this question. Which of the following features can be provided only by asymmetric encryption and not by symmetric encryption? Not by symmetric encryption, but only by asymmetric encryption. Which of the following features out of the following four options can be provided only by asymmetric and not by symmetric? Option number A, data confidentiality. Option number B, information privacy. Option number C, non-repudiation. Option number D, 128-bit key length. The correct answer is option number C, non-repudiation. Now, in case of non-repudiation, we need what? Private key as well as public key. Right, so basically if the sender encrypts using the private key, all right, in that case non-repudiation is what is established. But in case of symmetric encryption, both the keys are same. The key with which you encrypt and the key with which you decrypt, both the keys are same, but that's not the case in asymmetric encryption. Alright, so only and only asymmetric encryption can ensure non-repudiation, and you cannot ensure non-repudiation just by using the symmetric key. Using the symmetric key, you may ensure what? Confidentiality. Confidentiality can be ensured, can be established, but not the non-repudiation. Alright, so the correct option over here is option number C, non-repudiation.